interaction and conversation with all the faculty members those are working in Bharati Vidyapeeth, and whether they are teaching in management, in MBA, BBA, BCA, all courses, all the faculties will be joining us, and they'll be interacting with you all. Okay, so there are a lot of people in the lobby. Let me enter all of them.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am
I
a
hope
volunteer
everyone knows
coordinator, so
who's this the
can you
volunteer
make me
coordinator.
presenter? Ma'am, I am Bhavuk Virmani. I am a volunteer coordinator, so can you make me presenter?
Sure, Bhavuk. Let me just see where you are, because there are a lot of people in this
Ma'am,
session.
I have raised my hand.
Okay, you've raised your hand. Okay, great. Yes, Bhavuk. Now you are a presenter. Okay. Do you have
Thank you.
any other who's associated with you?
Sorry, ma'am.
Anyone else who is associated with report writing or in assistance with
Yes,
this
ma'am.
session?
Khushi is there
Yes,
who
ma'am.
is handling report writing.
Okay. So can you just raise your hands? Other coordinators who's there for coordinating this session can raise their hands so that I can make them a presenter. Kamal, Deep.
Ma'am, Kamaldeep
Yes, ma'am.
and yes, Khushi.
Okay.
Ma'am and Khushi is also there.
Okay. So now we have Kamal, Deep and Bhavuk with me. Okay. Fine. So let's start with the faculty members. Those who are there, I hope they'll join. Let me see. So let's welcome our most senior most faculty, and we can say he's having more than 30 years of experience, and one of the faculty where you can find out any kind of solution in Bharati Vidyapeeth. Okay. So I would like to welcome Dr. Nalin Shrivastava. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, very good audio system. Only the camera are not visualized, but audio is okay. No problem. There is no problem. Okay. So, should I introduce myself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, after good afternoon, everyone, those who are present here as a student and
Good
teacher
afternoon,
as
sir.
well.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Okay. Good
Sir.
afternoon. Already Gagan madam has introduced me, so not much more introduction as far the Bharati Vidyapeeth and myself is concerned. I am Dr. Anil Srivastav, and I joined this organization 32 years back since 1988 in Bombay. So I am the oldest member of this entire BBP campus, whether the engineering college, MCA college, or even the BBIMR as well. And this is my brief introduction. I am teaching organizational behavior in computer fundamental and the HR. These are my core area, and I did my PhD in management HR. And this is my brief introduction, not more than that. But before I conclude myself speech, should I ask you some question related to this orientation to all BBA students?
Yes,
Afternoon. Okay, good. So some question related to the orientation. How many courses are running in? How? Yes, just mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Yes, please mute yourself.
Okay. So this, how many courses are running this BVIMR? Anybody?
sir. 3.
Tell me.
3 courses, sir.
Sir,
What are the
BBA,
courses?
BCA, and MBA.
Okay. Other than that? Not aware of that.
Engineering.
Not aware.
Okay. So
Engineering.
no. I'm talking about the BBIMR. I'm not talking about the other university or the premises.
Sir, BCA.
Sir,
BCA,
LLB.
BBA and MBA. These three courses. आपने 3 courses का नाम लिया. But other than that, the law department also in this BVIMR campus, BBA, LLB and LLB. हो गया ना, एक नॉलेज मिला ना आपको ओरिएंटेशन में मेरे इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
the
sir.
so BBA, LLB
Yes, sir.
and LLB, these 2 courses are also running, and the eligibility of the BBA, LLB is the same eligibility which is now for the BBA and BCA. यही एलिजिबिलिटी BBA, LLB 5 ईयर के लिए है. तो आप जिस घर में रहते हैं उस घर के हर कमरे को जानना जरूरी है, और आप जहां रहते हैं हर फैकल्टी को जानना जरूरी है. इसलिए मैंने आपसे कहा कि कभी कोई अगर बात करता है आपसे तो आपको जरूर जानना चाहिए कि दीज आर द कोर्सेज रनिंग इन आवर कैंपस, एंड इवन यू कैन हेल्प टू समवन एल्स दोज हु आर वेरी मच keen interested to get admission in BBIMR, whether in a law or whether in a BCA or other than the BCA, BBA and MBA. इसलिए मैंने आपको अपने इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ ये बात आपसे मैंने कहा. The first question to already is over. The second question to all of you. Who is the Vice Chancellor of the Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be university? Anybody? This is an open platform. I'm not asking any individual. If you are in virtual, yes, sorry. Yes.
Pankaj Chani.
Pankaj
Vice
Saini, sir.
Chancellor. I told you Vice Chancellor. Pankaj Saini sir is a program coordinator. I am talking about
मानिक
the
राव
vice.
सोलंकी.
पूरा नाम क्या बताया आपने?
मानिक राव सोलंकी.
हाँ सर, गुड, वेरी गुड. और किसने बताया? गगन मैडम. इनका नाम नोट करिए. इज ए गुड एंड क्लैप फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर आंसर.
Sure, sir.
Right?
I think what coordinators will be doing that.
Good, very good. Okay, and now who is the director of this institute?
Dr. Vikas Nath.
Dr. Vikas Nath.
Dr.
And who is the registrar? Who is the registrar? Who is the registrar? Orientation means you must be aware of these all the names and the portfolio also, designation also. Anybody?
Sir, Shri Jayakumar.
Dr. Subin.
No, let me
Jay
give
Kumar.
an answer. Mr. Jay Kumar is the registrar of this university.
Yes, sir.
Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be university, right? Now the last question. I will not take much more of time because I am giving my introduction but asking question. But as a teacher, this is my responsibility and the authority also to be asked question after this, complete orientation program. And tell me who is the secretary of the Bharati Vidyapeeth? I am giving the answer.
Sir, Vishwajit Kadam. Sir,
Vishwajit Kadam.
Dr. Vishwajit Kadam. Okay, and who is the chancellor? Who is the chancellor of the Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed university?
Manik.
No. Dr. Sivaji Rao Kadam is the chancellor of the Bharati Vidyapeeth. And the last question and answer also required. Who was the founder of the Bharati Vidyapeeth? किसने भारती विद्यापीठ को बनाया? Anybody?
पतंग राव कदम.
Yes, good. जिसने बोला मैं उसको बहुत ही कांग्रेचुलेट करता
पतंग
हूँ.
राव कदम.
Yes.
सर कुणाल कुमार.
ना, गुड, वेरी गुड. डॉक्टर पतंग राव जी कदम 1964 में उन्होंने एस्टेब्लिश किया. सो ऑलरेडी आई गिवन माय इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अदर फैकल्टी मेंबर आर वेटिंग, और वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे. बट साइमल्टेनियसली इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ कुछ आपको नॉलेज भी गेन हुआ. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू गगन मैडम.
Thank you,
थैंक यू
sir.
मिस्टर अनुज आल्सो. थैंक यू.
Now I would like to welcome Dr. Pankaj Sahni. He's the program coordinator of BBA. Pankaj sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm interacting you on daily basis, but still there are few students who join late. So let me give you my introduction. I'm Dr. Pankaj Sahni. I'm your program coordinator for BBA first afternoon batch. Okay. I am associated with Bharati Vidyapeeth from 2010. In total, I have got 15 years of experience, and regarding my education, I did my MBA from Kurukshetra University and my PhD from Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, our university. The subjects which I teach in MBA, business environment, HRM, management concepts and applications. In BBA, I teach principles of marketing, entrepreneurship development, right? So one thing I would like to say, now you have taken admission in Bharati Vidyapeeth. You are a part of Bharati Vidyapeeth family. Right? Now the next 3 years are going to be very important for you guys. Okay. These 3 years will decide many things of your life. Okay. What kind of career and placements you would be having in your life, right? There are a lot of skills you would be learning. There are a lot of information you would be gaining from different faculty members and by interacting with your classmates also. Okay. So my advice to all of you is to grab maximum opportunities, ask many questions from your faculty members, clear your doubt, and get maximum out of these 3 years BBA program. Right. The things which you have not done in your school life, this is the right platform. You should come forward, right, and grab the opportunities, participate in discussions. Okay, come forward, take initiatives, be a good, responsible student, right? Come out with the solutions. Okay, not always complaining about the system. That habit has to go away. Okay, so you have now enrolled for a management program, so always come with a solution. Okay, with this I take leave. Thank you, Gagan ma'am, for managing today's show. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
हो सर नहीं इन लोगों का क्यों आ रहा है?
Ma'am is on mute, I think.
Take just a minute. Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Okay. Sorry. I was just, saying that is there, I'm unable to see the people, unable to see the faculty members, so they must be joining in couple of minutes. So Pankaj sir, can you view anyone else?
Even madam, I am here. Even I am unable to switch on my camera, and जैसे ही मैं ऑन कर रहा हूँ वैसे ही वो क्रॉस कर रहा है. I don't know where is the problem. Even Pawan is also unable to solve this problem. Sometimes it's happen. I don't know where is the problem. Sometimes it's happen.
Technical issue.
आप लोग you all are visualize here, but we are not.
Hello, Gagan ma'am.
Hello. Yes, we have Mr. Anuj with us, and I cannot see. I want to make you a presenter. With this one, I was scrolling down people, those who have joined.
No,
so
but Mr. Anuj is very much visual here. I can see him.
Sir, you can go ahead with your introduction, Anuj sir.
Ma'am, you need to make me presenters. So
I was just looking. That's what I was looking, that I can make you presenter, but I'm unable to find. Let me just give me.
Now I am the presenter. You have made me.
Okay, someone else has done. Thank you.
So let me introduce myself. Hello everyone. How are you all? Am I audible to all?
We are.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
So
sir.
let me introduce myself. My name is Anuj Kumar and I am the program coordinator for MBA course, MBA first year. So let me introduce my profile with all of you. Just sharing my screen. Is this profile visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
work.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Working as assistant professor with Bharati Vidyapeeth, overall experience of 11 years in teaching and industry together. At the same time, pursuing my PhD from Aligarh Muslim University. Successfully conferred about 21, now it is like 26 research publication, around 30 conferences and 35 FDPs or seminars, acted as resource person and won prestigious award in academic and industrial experience in school level. At the same time, I've won the Young Faculty Award, Young Achiever Award, Best Faculty Award. So about my education, PhD I'm doing, I'm MS from University College Dublin, Ireland, MBA from your same Bharati Vidyapeeth College in New Delhi, BBIMR. So I have a double masters. At the same time, I also done BTech from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. And throughout my academic career, I'm a merit holder, above 75% or 80% marks. At the same time, this is my professional experience. You can see Bharati Vidyapeeth. I've joined into January 16, 1st January. Before that, GNIT, MBA Institute, Paperpedia, Next Education worked as a marketing manager. Syndicate Bank, I started my journey as a probationary officer with government job. So this is about my organizational experience, and then this is about my research publication. Research publication is around like 35 papers I have published. Conferences, you can see the list of conferences. I've attended around 30 conferences. Most of them are from Government of India or MHRD. Recently attended like this month 4 conferences, faculty development program. So this is about me. Besides in BBA, what is my role? BBA, I'm teaching BBA final year, the specialization subject. Either it's finance, marketing, or international business. At the same time, I'm the discipline member of a discipline committee taking care of the discipline of MBA. But we work together in a discipline committee along with Srivastava sir and other team members. Srivastava sir is already there. About my other roles, I'm a member of GLIMS annual magazine of I'm the editor of GLIMS annual magazine of this college. At the same time, handling all the responsibilities at the program as a program coordinator of MBA first year. Thank you, everyone. That's all from my side. Best of luck to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Anit sir, for that huge lot of credentials sharing with us. Thank you very much. So I am again unable to see the faculty members. If somebody has joined, please share.
This is Dr. Nancy.
Yes, ma'am. Nancy, ma'am. Please introduce yourself, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Dr. Nancy. We met yesterday. Actually, we had session on business basics of business research. That could not happen very well, but still we met, and as already told you, I am coordinating BBA 1 morning shift with Pankaj sir, and he is coordinating afternoon shift, as you all are aware. So actually, I am teaching the business maths and statistics this time to BBA 1 batch, and generally I take care of statistics, operation research methodology. These are the few subjects that I am taking in the institute. So whenever you feel like that you want to write a research paper, again I am telling you, you can contact me anytime for the same, and I have received 2-3 messages that they want to write a paper. So you all are most welcome, and yes, welcome to BVIMR. That is all from my side. Thank you so much. Yes, one more thing. If you need any help anywhere, do not think I am handling morning shift. I'm equally responsible for the afternoon shift. We are working together, so you can call me anytime, and you can send message anytime. I'll definitely reply whenever I get free. Thanks to all of you, and thank you, Gagan ma'am. Thank you, Pankaj sir.
Thank you, Nancy ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Thank you, ma'am.
are we having anyone else in the room? Any faculty members who joined?
Let me check.
No, I cannot see.
Okay, can anyone tell me who is this live CID?
Yeah,
There
that's
are
what
one,
and every time
four,
I'm making that person out of the meeting, and again this person is coming, and without the admit permission, I don't know how come they are in the
Yeah,
session.
yesterday also I was facing the same
So who's
problem.
this live CID 3 BBA AC 4 D1712?
Ma'am, actually, he has a problem with some Gmail account. So he has already told Pankaj sir that he'll be logging with this name.
But
This is no one
I
ID. There are three, I think.
there are
Two,
five,
three
ma'am.
IDs. Yeah, five,
There
yes.
were five.
Ma'am, but there was one guy who told I'll be logging with this live CID. So we let him log in.
So let me see who this person is. If the person can unmute and bring the video online so that we can view the student, who the student is. Can this live.cid can unmute and
Okay,
can we see?
I'm admitting all the students.
Thank you,
with
Nancy ma'am.
live
Thanks a
CID.
lot.
Don't admit them.
No, I am
I
not
am
admitting
not
them.
admitting.
No, ma'am. He is saying that this is one of the students. So let him on his video and let us see who is this.
That's what I was saying.
Hmm.
But वो online ही नहीं हो रहा, दिखाई नहीं रहा. I don't know who that person is.
Yes, kindly speak up.
Now they have left, I think, all of them. Now we have Dr. Sanjay Manocha. We have Dr. Sanjay Manocha. Dr. Sanjay Manocha, can you hear me? Manocha sir, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So kindly have an interaction with the students.
Next meeting चल रही है.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. We can have a small brief introduction of yours, sir.
Okay. Yes, good afternoon to all students and good afternoon, colleagues. Students, I welcome you all in Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute of Management and Research. As this is your first semester, so you have taken a right decision by taking admission in the BB program in Bharati Vidyapeeth University. As you are aware that the current pandemic is going on, and during this time the institutions, they are trying to connect with the students through the online medium, and our university has tied up with the Microsoft team, and every staff and the student has been facilitated uh, by uh, uh, by becoming the attendee or the presenter in the conduction of the various meetings. So there is a huge opportunity you will be getting, that now the teachers from the corporate people, they will be interacting directly with you in spite of the current lockdown problem which we are facing. Due to that, the lockdown, the physical setting is not allowed, but yes, we will be interacting through this medium. Okay, students, now telling you about me. I am Dr. Sanjay Manocha, and I am working here as an assistant professor. I am associated with Bharati Vidyapeeth University from last 12 years, and I have completed my MBA, PhD in commerce, then MPhil in management, masters in public administration, and one diploma in entrepreneurship development, and one PG diploma in retail management. And I am teaching subjects of marketing management. So I will be interacting with you on the topics related to the services marketing, related to the sales and distribution management, and also I am teaching one subject, that is entrepreneurship development. So and along with that, students, also I am the member of ED cell, that is entrepreneurship development cell of the institute. So we are conducting the various activities through the ED cell also. So as and when the activity will be there, it will be notified to all of you, and you can also join that club to contribute towards the benefit of the institute and for your self grooming also. So I wish every one of you the best wishes for your future endeavors, future academic endeavors, and best of luck for everything best which you can receive in your life. So thank you to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted actually.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Sanjay Manocha sir. We are having Dr. Manpreet Kaur with us. So, Manpreet ma'am, are you there?
Yes, hi,
Yes.
a very warm welcome. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me
Yes,
a
ma'am.
moment. A very warm welcome to the students of BBA afternoon. I am Dr. Manpreet Kaur. I am Associate Professor in the area of Accounting and Finance. And my experience, I am associated with BBA BBIMR in 2017. And I am also a member of Research and Advisory Committee of the Institute. So, wish you very best, and we welcome you all to the BBIMR family. Thank you so much.
Clearly visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So, anyone else from the faculty fraternity if we have in the room? So, faculty members are a little busy with the the sessions and other the different various programs are going on. So, we'll be. So again, I'm asking, do we have any other faculty members in the room? Okay. So meanwhile, you can share what was the best experience. Yes, sir, please, if you can do that. Any one of you who can share that what was the best part of the orientation? Anyone, meanwhile, we can fill the gaps with this.
Ma'am, the best part was the class of accounts.
Wonderful. Sir. Wonderful. So what was the best part in the accounts? Because accounts, I think couple of people, those who feel really good about accounts, because accounts.
I'm from science stream, so I found it very interesting, very fascinating.
Very good, very good. Thank you. Your name is?
Ma'am, Sujal Agarwal.
Sujal, okay. Thank you, Sujal. Thanks for the inputs. Do we have anyone else? Meanwhile, the faculty members are joining.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the session. Ma'am, the
so
session
raise your hands. Raise your hands. I'll pick you because a lot of people just just raise your hands who wants to share. Okay, so we have it's what's it, Anjali? This is Anjali Gupta. What's her name? MRANL. Who's this? The name is not clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am, my name is Mrinalini Gupta.
Acha, Mrinalini. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, overall, I liked the sessions. They were very interactive, as that everyone got a chance to speak and say their mind. And out of all the sessions, I think the best session was on the economics one, which we had. I enjoyed that personally.
Okay, that's really good. So do you remember the faculty who has taken that session of economics?
No, ma'am. Honestly, I don't remember.
You should be so much. You should know who the faculty is, right? Who's taking that session. So we have Miss Bhavika with us. She is she's there in the session. So Bhavika ma'am, can we have a conversation from your side?
Yes, ma'am. A very good evening, all of you. A very warm welcome to Bharti Vidya Peeth. And so today only we had I had an interaction in the morning regarding a session that I took on time management with you all. So a formal introduction, I am Bhavika Batra and I'm an assistant professor here at Bharti Vidya Peeth. And it's been around 7 years that I am associated with BVIMR now. And I take subjects like economics, statistics, international business. And so most likely I'll be taking economics for you people. And we are really looking forward to interact with you all and have sessions with you. Hopefully things should get better. And once you all are here in college, we are looking forward to have more interactive sessions with you all. And one thing that I would just like to tell you that now that you're out of that comfort zone of school, so you've joined in college wherein you would be altogether in a different zone. So here at Bharti Vidya Peeth, we have faculties who are always there for you, but the approach would be different. So during the school time, so you were hand-holded, you were being assigned a lot of things, so you were being taken care of. So all the faculties at school used to pressurize you to do certain things. Herein, all the faculties are there with you all, so we're there to support you, but it is the approach would be a little different. So herein you would all have to approach us. So regarding all the events, all the activities that will happen, so we'll keep you informed, but the initiative has to happen from your side. So that is the change that you should be really looking forward to. And so start taking initiatives, and whatever activities and events that keep on happening, we keep on posting it in your groups and you are getting aware about it. So just approach the faculty, any career guidance that you want, so you will have to approach the faculty and the faculty would be there to help you, to guide you, to mentor you. So I really welcome you all and wish you a very, very joyful learning experience at Bharti Vidya Peeth for the next 3 years. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Bhavika ma'am. So next we are having in the room Dr. Anjali Sharma. Do we have Dr. Anjali Sharma in the room? Anjali ma'am? Dr. Anjali Sharma, she's there.
Yes, Gagan, yes. Hi.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome. Please introduce, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, and good afternoon to all, and a very warm welcome at Bharti Vidya Peeth Institute of Management and Research. And now you are with us, and that means that we are here to, hone you from every perspective, from managerial skills to personality development to the mental well-being, taking care of you, keeping you happy, as well as making sure that you grow by leaps and bounds in your life. And on this note, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Anjali Sharma, and my experience speaks for 15 good years. And I'm proud to say that my association with Bharti Vidya Peeth, it speaks for 13 good years. So I joined this college with a baby experience of just 2 years, and I have learned so much from here. Okay, and my fortes are marketing and international business, and I also take up a subject called business communication, which I happen to love so much because I am able to contribute personally towards the development of students, with respect to their personalities, the way they speak, the way they look at life, and everything comes up as a handy experience when they go and join the corporate world. So yes, that is one subject which I take apart from all international business and marketing subjects. And apart from that, I am a professional blogger with the National Daily. I blog with the Times of India and Economic Times, and my blog page is known as the Talking Sparrow. Apart from that, I'm a corporate trainer. So I have done my training assignments with brands like JK Cement and Axis Bank and BTW. And I also conducted, a grooming session for the non-teaching staff for Bharati Vidyapeeth itself. So this is about me. And yes, being a teacher, I am always involved, in research work and other such things. And my area of captaincy at Bharati Vidyapeeth is MBA final year. So I am also the program coordinator for the final most semester of this college. So apart from that, I think I'll always be associated and linked with you by one way or the other. So looking forward to meet you and connect with you. All the best and stay happy. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So next we are having Mr. Ajay Kumar. Ajay sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Very good afternoon, students. My name is Ajay Kumar. My name is Ajay Kumar. I am one of the faculty member in IT department. I have joined this organization in 2006 and currently I am a program coordinator of BCA final year. My specialized subjects are computer network, database. Apart from the teaching activity, I have also handled examination department, and I'm also available for for my team, and whenever they need IT related suggestions and help. So apart from that, I am currently looking after your MST ID. That is all handled by me. And definitely, I would love to teach you. As I know, you have one subject in maybe in second year, that is computer applications for business. So definitely, I would love to teach you if ma'am permits me. And thank you so much, and all the best. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Next, we
Thank you.
have Mr. Mahesh Kumar Chaube. He is again handling the IT department. So, Chaube sir, are you there? Chaube sir, I think he's on the call. So let's wait if anyone else is joining. Let me see. So any other faculty in the room if I've missed anyone? Chaube sir, are you there? Okay, I think he is on the call. He will come back soon. Meanwhile, somebody was sharing that what all experiences you are having in your orientation. So, yes, sir, he is back. Chaube sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Okay. Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Let me resume, yeah. Let maybe. Am I visible, ma'am?
Not yet, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very good afternoon to all of you. This is Mahesh Kumar Chaube, Program Coordinator for BCA first year, morning and afternoon shift. I have been associated with Bharati Vidyapeeth University since 2008. My area when it comes to research and all, it is data mining. Currently, I am pursuing PhD in the field of data mining from Agra University, Agra. And when it comes to any other responsibility, I am taking care of ERP cell over here, all the development related to online academic ERP, I am taking care. So I wish you very best to the new journey of life, new assignment of life, and I hope you will come out flying colors and hope for the best. Thank you very much and good luck to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Okay. Any other faculty member is there? Okay. So who was sharing? Who would like to share then? Meanwhile, let's see who all will join.
Ma'am, the economics class by Miss Survi Mahindru.
Okay. Economics class by Mahindru, sir.
No, ma'am. Survi Mahindru, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. What you liked about that session?
Ma'am,
What
overall,
was your
ma'am,
takeaway?
ma'am, whatever she told about the economic policies, ma'am, economics, ma'am, everything related to economics. So, ma'am, that was pretty good, ma'am, because economics has been my favorite subject.
Thanks for sharing.
Ma'am, ma'am, also the interaction with alumni, that was very interactive.
So, which alumni did you interacted with?
Rupal, ma'am.
Rupal, ma'am.
She is one of the fascinating alumni of Bharati Vidyapeeth.
Yes,
She's
ma'am.
famous on Instagram also. She's a lively girl.
Yes, ma'am. Sensational couple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and very lively and very what we can say. She's a hard worker as well. I know her personally. She was when she was there in MBA. So really, that you can get that kind of motivation and get influenced with your alumni, those who have captured different domain areas and they have marked their name in different domains. Like you can have something on Instagram or some blogs or something on social media to bring yourself up front in the world, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
still waiting for the people to join. Pankaj sir, are you there?
Yes, madam.
Hanji
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Still
are
waiting
you-
for the faculty members to join.
Okay, I'm checking with faculty members, ma'am. I'm calling
Okay.
Neelam Sharma, ma'am. Let me
Okay,
check.
sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, meanwhile, anyone else? Like we have so many people in the room, like 167 people are there, students especially. So we have Navya, July 12. Yes, Navya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I like the Bhavika ma'am session, time management.
So you like
It
Bhavika
was,
ma'am's section, time management. What you liked about her?
yeah, ma'am, there was so much motivation in that session. Like how means I can relate. I can relate what she was saying to my
Wonderful.
own, means like stress and means like when we assign assignments, we are not able to complete them on time. We have 24 hours. How do we manage them? So I like the session very much.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I know that she's really excellent in this, and that's what I was saying, that here faculty members, they have a lot of potential and a lot of things to give you guys. So it's up to you how you take on, right? How much you can grasp and how much you can imbibe in yourself. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you.
Anyone else? Anyone else would like to share anything about anyone or any session? What was your takeaway in the session? Anything specifically? Bhavna. Yes, Bhavna.
Ma'am, I like the account section.
With Rakesh sir.
His teaching was really very good. I understood each and every point that he told. As I'm a science student, but I understood each and every point.
Wonderful. So being a science student, if the faculty is able to, okay, we have Mr. Roy, Sanjay Roy, Dr. Sanjay Roy. Yes, sir, please go ahead, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. I have taken one session. कौन बताएगा क्या session था मेरा?
Yes, sir.
Mahabharat.
भगवत गीता.
हाँ, भागवत गीता के ऊपर हमारा एक सेशन हुआ था.
समझ नहीं आया था सर, पर सुनकर अच्छा लगा.
समझ नहीं आया. कौन है भाई साहब? कमलदीप सिंह, कमलदीप श्रीवास्तव. Am I right?
मैंने नहीं कहा सर.
किसने कहा?
चिराग सर.
चिराग.
गुड डे को कलम.
ओके. चिराग, क्या नहीं समझ में आया था ये बताओगे? कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया.
वो जो आपने संस्कृत में बोला था ना सर, वो समझ नहीं आया.
ओके. मैंने उसको ट्रांसलेट भी तो किया था अच्छे से.
वो भी समझ नहीं आया सर.
वो भी नहीं समझ में आया. ओके. मैं फिर कभी समझा दूंगा आप लोगों को, बिकॉज एट दिस present moment I think most of the faculty members are waiting for their chance to introduce themselves. Okay.
No sir, we don't have anyone else except you.
Okay, ठीक है, फिर मैं समझा ही देता हूँ अभी.
So you can take your time.
नहीं सर.
नहीं सर, आ गया समझ आ गया.
इनको समझ में आ गया.
में समझा देना सर.
Sir, but he is not the only guy sitting in the room, na. Other people also there. They must be inquiring. उनको चाहिए. आप please बताइए.
Right. So I'm Sanjay Roy, and I have been associated with Bharati Vidyapeeth for the last 10 years, taking sessions and taking lectures in other institutes as well. I also go for training the managers of Punjab and National Bank, and there are few bank members also. That's Institute for National Banking Studies. So वहाँ पे managers आते हैं. I used to go there and taking their sessions also, and I am taking subjects as organization behavior, compensation management, and training and development, and in BBA also labor legislation. And at present I am taking classes for BBA 5th semester, international marketing. Right, so this is how I am taking classes. Along with that, my area of interest is HR, and I publish paper in that domain. I have published more than 30 papers in various esteemed journals. So this is how we are working here, and I once again I welcome you on the Bharati Vidyapeeth platform. And this is one of the premier institute in Delhi and India as well. So take the benefit of being in the premier school, right? And we call it B school, business school, but जो हमारे students हैं वो उसको बड़ा school बोलते हैं, You know the difference between छोटा स्कूल and बड़ा स्कूल. बड़ी जल्दी आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा क्या डिफरेंस होता है. ठीक है, चलिए I take your leave. So I call up Dr. Nishit sir to introduce.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
So
Bye,
let's welcome Dr. Nishit, Nishit Mishra. He
Yes,
is taking
good afternoon
care
to
of the
everyone.
examination. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir,
for joining.
Good afternoon,
sir.
Get introduced with all these new students. So welcome to BBIMR. My name is Dr. Nishit Mishra, and my qualification is that I have done my PhD in brand management, that is private level brand, and I'm associated with Bharati Vidyapeeth since 2017, and I am teaching marketing subjects such as marketing management, consumer behavior, services marketing, etc. Prior to my eminence in academics, I served in industry for say more than 2 decades, and I handled the such as computers, softwares, medical devices, and surgical equipments. So at this point of time, I would say only that all the best to all of you, and we are going to have good 3 years with you. All the very best. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So we are having Dr. Ajay Sahani. Dr. Ajay sir. Ajay sir, you there?
Yes, sir. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Okay, visible as well. I'm visible.
Not yet.
Or I have become Mr. India.
Not yet, sir. We cannot. I cannot see like that. You can go ahead like this if it is not working. It's okay.
Yeah. There's some as I am joining. We just had a meeting with director sir, and just came, and so I'm joining through this mobile phone handset. So welcome you all, dear students, and this is a great opportunity to introduce myself, Ajay Sahani, and my specialization is that I don't have any specialization. So I believe in interdepartmental functioning, and I am associated with this wonderful institute since 2005. And I launched the foreign language department. My PhD has been in French language, but yes, it's on empathy. I did my research, and I take different subjects. So I would just like to mention that always come out of your comfort zone. I still do that. Every semester I change my subjects, and you will have ample opportunities to develop yourself. So don't confine yourself to one area. Try to learn and learn, and that is what life is all about. And wish you all the best. Hopefully I would be taking, I don't know what section is allotted to me, business communication and English with you. And then in the third semester, second semester, you have various other subjects. And then you will be meeting me again, semester 6, business policy and strategic management. Wish you all the best, and derive maximum out of this place. All faculty members are excellent, and they come from various backgrounds, and learn from them, and also apply your knowledge and skill sets here. Thank you so much, and God bless all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
Dr.
you,
Ajay.
ma'am. Thank you.
Now I would like to welcome Ms. Rupam Jyoti Das. Rupam ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I am there.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Welcome, everyone. Good evening, all the students. So I hope,
Good evening,
you
ma'am.
are
Evening, ma'am.
enjoying your classes, virtual classes, and as an introduction, or we call it as a what we call orientation program, right? So orientation, what is orientation program? so that you can get accustomed with a new system, right? So now you are not a student of any XYZ schools, but now you are all part of BVMR, right? BVMR family, we call it as BVMR family. Now here we are all family members. Maybe our role is like to teach you, and your role is to being learned, right? And here don't consider it as just as a stepping stone or just taking a mere degree, right? You will have ample of learning opportunity not only just to pass the exam, right, but also apply each and every thing that you have learned in your future. Maybe you become some entrepreneur, or maybe you join some corporate, or maybe for some higher education. When you understand whatever you have been taught, right, so it will always help you out. So to introduce myself, my name is Rupam Jyoti Deka, and I have joined Bharati Vidyapeeth in 2014, and I'm basically from Assam. So maybe my accent while speaking in English or Hindi will be little different, right? So because I have little bit of mother tongue influence, yes. So as per my educational qualifications, so I have done my graduation in economics as my honors, and I have done my postgraduate diploma in management in human resource management and marketing, and after that I also did my master's in business administration. So you can say I have done 2 master's program in management, but yes, both that time I have done it in human resource management as my specialization. And I have also done my 1-year postgraduate diploma in labor law. So I'm not a lawyer, but I have a certification diploma or diploma program specialized in employee law, right? That is laws regarding to employees and laborers working in any factory, right? So in human resource management, you will understand what are different kind of laws, right? So just like any corporate laws, mercantile laws, or civil laws, there are some specialized law that are used for the management or of employees if there is any violation of, if there is any rights, right? So for example, PF का हो गया, या फिर salary का हो गया, or even for training and development, there is laws for everything, right? So I'm specialized in labor laws and human resource management, and here in Bharati Vidyapeeth, I primarily teach human resource management in both laws and management, undergrad management students, as well as I teach economics, both microeconomics and macroeconomics in BBA program. So hopefully, I don't think this semester I'll be teaching in afternoon shift, but hopefully I will be teaching you in next semester, because I don't know, for me, I have always been very lucky with afternoon shift students. So afternoon shift students are always my favorite, and I always tell Pankaj sir, so please give me classes in afternoon shift, because I don't know, I am always happy teaching students from afternoon shift. Maybe they are good. What about you? Are you good?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hopefully,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
be
Yes,
teaching
ma'am.
you in second semester, because afternoon shift is always my first preference. मुझे जब भी preference देने का मौका मिलता है to teach in any class, so I always opt for afternoon shift. I don't know, I know the reason, but I will not tell you. So what's the reason? So other than teaching, because I'm just giving a little explanatory description or talking to you at large, because I think there is no any other teachers after me. So I have time, right, ma'am? Gagan, ma'am?
Yes, Rupa ma'am, you have a lot of time, no one else is there.
So that's why I'm talking to them. Yeah. So other than teaching, so I also take care of some of the co-curricular activities in Bharati Vidyapeeth. That's starting from your Western and classical dance. So under my coordinatorship as a faculty coordinator, I look after the dance society or DVMR dance club, and music society, our name of our music society as the band Advik. So we operate as a band. So whenever we perform anywhere in any of the college competition, any other universities competition, so we perform as a group, as a band. Yes, if there is any competition as a solo singer, so you can also participate as a solo performer. So for that you have to be a group member of Advik and Dance Society, and we conduct audition before starting of every session, right? And I also am a coordinator of Kalakriti Society, that's for fine arts and crafts. So our Kalakriti Society take care of all the rangoli decoration and stage decoration whenever there is any kind of events and program in Bharati Vidyapith. So any students who are interested in co-curricular activities like dance, music or fine arts, right? I hope you will be in a close touch with me, and we will also learn mutually. We will learn it from each other. Something you will learn from me, and something definitely I will get opportunity to learn from you. Okay, thanks you so much. If you have any question to ask from me, you can ask. I hope you have lots of questions regarding joining any club and society.
Yes, ma'am. I want to join the.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to join the
Yes,
music
ma'am.
club.
Yes. So right now, like because of this, yes, Tarushi. Tarushi
Ma'am,
or
I want to join the Ma'am Tarushi. I want to join the dance club and the Kalakriti club.
Okay, okay. So like for right now, so we don't have any kind of audition and all, because we are all doing it all virtually, right? But I would definitely like to have some of the students from first year. So I will make a group, and I will float a membership form throughout your class coordinator teachers, okay, so that you can join some of the clubs like Kalakriti and Dance Society and Music Society. And right now many of the universities also is conducting some of the virtual competitions, right? Maybe on music, or maybe in dramatics, or maybe in dance. So we can definitely participate in such kind of event and make ourselves visible as a team of our Bharati Vidyapith, right? Bharati Vidyapith need to be visible all throughout, right? That we are not only good in academics, we are not only good in placement, but we are also good as co-curricular activities. And yes, co-curricular activities plays a very important role in your life, right? I am not saying that everyone is good in music, everyone should be good in dance, or everyone should be good in sports, right? Like Pankaj Sani sir, he takes care of the sports society, right? We have a extensive 3 days sports day, right? So I hope everyone has some of the other interest or hobby. And please take your hobby seriously, because after a certain point of time, you will just die for indulging at least 1 hour for your hobby. Right now, I'm not getting time for my hobby, right? So I believe people who are having a serious hobby, maybe dance, music, or sports, or even fine arts, right? They will always think constructively, they will always think positively and productively. Because when you are idle, which kind of people remain idle and play PUBG and all through game? जिसके पास hobby नहीं है, I believe so. अगर आपके पास इतना time है, indulge in at least watch some good kind of movie. There are so many good movies which are not only provide you knowledge, at least you will know something. Indulge in some hobby, learn guitar, whatever you wanted to learn from long back, but you are not getting opportunity to learn it. So do it. But please don't waste your time just mere playing PUBG or any kind of games in your mobile. Okay, thank you so much. Over to you, Gagan ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Thanks for this brief
Thank
interaction.
you, ma'am.
And I think
Nice
thank
listening
you
to
so
you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
The most wanted ma'am, because everybody would like to associate with some kind of clubs, and she herself is very creative. So I want you guys to associate with her. I want to her in any way. Thank you, ma'am, very much. And with this, I think don't have anyone else. People are busy with their other work. So we'll be winding up the session. As I think most of the faculty members, they have interacted with you all. And we would like to, okay, Tanisha wants to say something. Tanisha, you're raising a hand. Okay, anything specific? If not, it's okay. So let's wind up this session, and thank you all for joining the session. I hope you all know me. You know, we had an interaction, and thank you very much for joining the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Thank you, ma'am.